Hi guys! So, let's see. Sabi ni ate, lagi akong bagong gising tingnan sa mga videos. Tama din naman siya. So, gamit tayo ng headband. Pero, ganyan siya. Wait. Tinitingnan ko yung viewfinder kasi baka hindi ako nakafocus or alam mo yun. So, let's start! Kati ng kilikili ko. Joke. Be using the Dust Cut Facial Mist. So, meron tayong fan. Tara! Para mabilis siyang mag-dry. O, di ba bongga tayo? Oh, it's weird. Thank you pala sa nagbigay nito. So, gagawin lang natin is to make my face dry. The downside pala dito sa this camera is makikita niyo yung imperfections ng aking face. Which ang dami kong pimples, ang dami-dami. Maglalagay muna tayo ng finish cream. This is from Etude House, the Dust Cut Finish Cream. Boop, boop, boop. So, start tayo sa mata. So, mag-curl tayo ng lashes. Ah! Ang sakit. Ang sakit, besh. Ang gagamitin nating mascara is the Voluminous Mascara Miss Manga Rock. So, yeah. Mag-ano lang tayo. Hindi pala ako mag-ano ngayon, falsies, kasi wala akong glue. Ang gagamitin natin is from Rimmel. Okay, so hindi siya nagpo-focus. I did apply a lot. Bayaan mo na, besh. Masyadong na-carried away lang ako sa pag-apply ng primer. Loreal Infallible Foundation. Pro Glow. It is the Pro Glow. And it is in the shade 204. Meron akong 206. I have the 206 one. I have the 206. Ito talaga yung shade ko. Pero for today, gusto ko medyo lighter shade tayo. Kasi mag-bronze naman tayo and contour. So, contour. Contour. Tapos, to add a little bit of coverage, I'll be mixing in the L'Oreal True Match Superblendable Foundation in the shade W4. So, pagpasensyahan niya if this video will be super long. AOA sponge. parang sobrang puti, di ba? Okay lang. I don't really like a full coverage foundation. Syempre, ano lang yan, preference nyo. Pero mas bet ko kasi ang dewy foundation. Oh my god. Super puti, besh. Kakumumo. Pala tayo. Bronze. I'll be using this one. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Mabas ka na. Parang ghostly yung aking peg. So, for concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Betterskin Concealer. So, this is, I have it in 2 shades kasi yung isang shade is too light, yung isa naman is too dark. So, yeah. I'll be using light medium mixed with medium deep. My concealer. Yung areas lang na naglagay ako ng concealer. I'll be using the Ben Nye Banana Luxury. This is my fave. So, mag-bronze tayo. I'll be using Loreal in the shade C7. In the shade this one. Highlighter. I'm using the e.l.f. highlighter. Nabasag siya. Kayo ng very naghanap kayo ng very affordable na highlighter. This is for you. So pretty. Nilalagay ko lang to sa places na parang gusto ko medyo dewy yung face. This is the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte in the shade Tiramisu. So ayun, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video.